As a law student, when we delve into the concept of jurisprudence, we often come to a conclusion that law itself is the subject matter of jurisprudence. When we try to unravel the complexity of law, then again we assimilate that law in general sense pertains to the domain of rules of actions which are aligned with some pattern or standard. Simply putting it plainly, I would say that whatever that is being done by you align with some rules of actions. This thing determine what is just and unjust. And what this is what we call law and general sense. But again, when we take a look and judicial sense, that law and judicial sense pertains to the province of rules of actions which are enforced, sanctioned by state. Again, we take a further investigation then this term law connotes various different meanings. And I'm just taking example, yeah, the two terms, the law and a law. When we try to figure out the differences between both these terms, then we see that the law pertains to the abstract sense of law. I would say that the law talks about the whole legal system. I'm taking an example, India's legal system. This is what we are taking all of the laws. Doesn't matter. I'm not taking any particular statute and isolated form. I'm taking whole of the system, whole of the legal system. This is what we call the law. And again, at another hand, when we talk about Allah, then we talk this thing Allah in concrete form. I would say we are taking a particular statute in isolated form. This is what we say Allah. So again, I'm just taking an example that a rule was enacted to govern the business between partners in 1932. That was a partnership act. This is what I'm talking about a law in isolated form. Here I'm talking about a particular statute. So these are the one of the significant differences between the law and a law. And when we again see that the equivalent term for the law is reach in Germany, and in Latin term it is just or do it. Again, the equivalent term for a law is lex loci. We say it is a land of the law, or we talk about any statute. So these are the one of the significant differences. Thank you for today. Thank you for listening.